Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips BT3221 by 15 DuraPower beard trimmer. This looks like a very standard cardboard box with a Philips Series 3000 sticker on it. So let's just open it up. The insides look very different with electric blue color and a Philips logo on one side, right here. Right on top there are some documents. The first one is a warranty card, very important. Next we have a user manual and a product information pamphlet. Moving on, we have the 2-pin power adapter for the trimmer with a very standard design. Let's keep this on one side. Next we have a cloth bag, presumably for carrying the trimmer around. Then there is a brush used for cleaning the blades. Nice touch. The trimmer is in this smaller compartment here. Let's gently pull it out and remove the plastic cover. This is what the Philips BT3221 by 15 DuraPower beard trimmer looks like. It is quite sturdy and comes with ergonomic grips. The Philips logo is quite visible as well. The head, as you can see, is detachable and carries titanium coated blades that claim to be self-sharpening. Also, there is this dial that is used to control the length settings for the blades. The power button is right under the dial. Power the device on, you will notice an LED light turning on. And that is all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.